Hello everyone, this is Carlos. I'm the Global Product Manager for Footwear at Head, and today I'm going to introduce you the new Motion Pro Padel shoe. The motivations to develop and create a padel shoe were mainly three. The first one is that the sport is growing a lot. We believe that it deserves to have a specific padel shoe. The second one is the movement on court. In padel it's different than in tennis. In padel we move more rotational movements. We have more rotational movement compared to tennis. And the third one is that the new padel courts have less granulates on the surface compared to the old ones, which had more granulates. And due to that, in the past we were using clay outsoles, but due to the new conditions, we felt that we needed to have a new outsole pattern. So before we start the design and development process, we talked to our pro players, our coaches, and also our internal people which are expert on padel. Once we collected feedback, the first conclusion we got was that the outsole on the shoes were probably the most important part. Due to the new conditions of the new courts, we decided to partner with Mondo, which is the official World Padel Tour turf provider. And with them we tested this new design in their labs. And the numbers and the testing on the lab was great. However, we needed to go on court to see the reality. We prototyped those shoes for all the coaches and pro players, which gave us the initial feedback. After a few months, even half a year testing with them, their feedback was great, and we felt confident to go ahead, and all that feedback is what created and defined what is Motion Pro Padel. Besides the innovation on the outsole pattern, which I already mentioned before, we have all the technologies on the shoe. One of them is the Lateral Control Plus, which gives you the stability on the side movements. Another one is the comfort, which is provided by the sock construction. Then we come to the midsole, which is created by air bubbles, air cells. We call it Dynafoam. And lastly, the breathability is coming through the mesh, breathable mesh, and the bottom of the shoe, which we have air ventilation, and we call it our cooling system. The reason why every padel player should try the new Motion Pro Padel shoe is because it has been developed and created to check all the boxes that a padel player needs. It's lightweight, stable, comfortable, and it gives you the maximum performance you need on court. For more information on the Head Motion Pro, visit totalpadel.com.